When I make it 2, you also make it 2 so that we are at the same pace. Justin 28. Rutera Orien 80. Tindigwa 10. Nyamarungi A. You are there? Nyamarungi A. Ruteraho 132. Suraina 6. Kirea 276. Justin 3. Tindigwa 39. You are there? Nyamarungi Central. Mugumya 6. Ayebazibwe 7. Suraina 14. Ruteraho Rien 163. Tindigwa 8. Obuganga. Obugaga. Obugaga. Ninga no bugaga. Nyamarungi Parish. Jennifer Tindigwa 125. You are there. Rutera Orilian 92. Kirea 2. Justine 6. Bgizi anda Nyamarungi. Tindigwa 91. Suraina 3. Justine 6. Kirea 52. Rutera Horilian 1008. 1008. Nyamarungi B. Let's go back. Bgizi. Tindigwa 91. Suraina 3. Justine 6. Kirea Mugumya 52. Rutera Orilian 1008. It is Bgizi. Yeah. Nim Bgizi. It is Bgizi and Nyamarungi. Imwe zinga. It is the same, eh? Okay. Kandi ati wajanga nabaza complain. Mubanze mwikiriza nari yecho. Rugoroko tije. Wajiha kwizigirije. Baba binjekte. Once over 1,000 registered. Declaration 4. So, jitemu na yoji rukore ready. Leka jikore ready nkaziri yezo ruko. Zona mwana mzia. So baji hamu. We have Nyamarungi B. You are there at Nyamarungi B. Ruteraho Lilian 165. Nyamarungi B. Ruteraho Lilian 165. Kirea 65. Chigongo Suraina 26. Tindigwa 21. Ayebazibwe 6. Mbale 1. You are there? Mbale 1. Under Shoro Parish. Suraina 3. Jennifer 3. Ruterao 62. Justine 820. Mugumya 3. Gwejo na GM. Gwejo na GM. You right Mbale 1. GM muturugumu rwanje. We have removed it. Kaniko wabikura. Na yeye ajihamu. Then Mbare 2. Gambaro musagaza ishi. We have Mbare 2. Mbare 2. Ruteraho Lilian 119. Kirea 16. Jennifer 3. Suraina 3. Justine 7. Rushasha A. Tuchiambuka mazawa maraka. Ori akabana ije. Katumba. You call him. Rushasha sub-county. Then Rwanta parish. Rwanta A. Rwantaha. Then we have Rwantaha A. Rwantaha A ayebazibwe Destiny 420 ruteraho Lilian 2 kere mu 28. Aha. Iwe umusagaza rero naje. Eh? Rwantaha C Kireya 77 Rwantaha C under Rushasha 77 Mugumya Lilian 8 Justine 4. Rwantaha C. We have first Rwantaha A. Rwantaha A mujina. Rwantaha C wajitasyamu. Rwabuzare. Chabuzare. Chabuzare. Hey. Claire has 5. Ruteraho 10. Justine 505. Rwantaha B. Hey. Mugumya Kereya 25. Ruteraho Lilian 25. Justine 510. Rwaba Remirizi A. I will repeat. Ayebazibwe 87. No. Rwaba Remirizi A. Ayebazibwe 87. Kireya 7. Ruteraho 54. We are on Nyungu. Mugumya Kereya 6. Lilian 10. Justine 364. Rwaba Mirizi P. Rwaba Remirizi B. Lilian 130. Justine 10. Rushasha. Lilian 125. Rushasha as a zero. And Rushasha parish. You have seen it. Lilian 125. Mugumya 5. Justine 8. Ndayanjojo. Justine 320. Lilian 30. Hey. Eh? So we leave that one. Huh? Justin 320, Lilian 30, Suraina 0, Ugumya Kerea 20. Mahurikizi. Banzo kwata more.
Ati ni kihijwa kugamba. Rekatire.
It's Ndaya Jojo. Ndaya Jojo sale. It's why you are complaining. It's it.
Leta boss. Ahabwe na habwe James Noah. Dede to. Na habwe ahimsi mo no
Muhimbi se Robert.
Muhimbi se Robert.
Muhimbi se boss.
Boss. Ogogo ni na habwe James.
Muhimbi se Robert.
Wajib. Let me see it handwriting. Kando kumushisha.
Kuno mwisho kuno mwisho. Kuno mwisho. Uri ano mwisho.
Kwa tuenda tuetegereze turebe. Impandika nziza kugereka.
Ati ibintu byo twagamba Robert byo twagamba ngo we agree on isolated cases. Reba osigning nyuma na Oka
Atine Ndaya Jojo. Nobshash. Narango jambo itingane. Ane. Yes. Yesha.
shana ni ngo
Ni wengerebe.
Ngenda ngo abirebe niyewe
Same handwriting.
kare nutoreke na kuriya
Atareba ndana. Handwriting y'umushi.
Ayibambe konka kaninyenda kushaba mutwikirize cyo takarara twamara hebiro bibiri ona twongera muri cya kashatu naba ninyenda kushaba mutugirire mbabazi mutuhendekere mutugirire mbabazi twasigaza nyenda kumenya twasigaza amagomboro rangaye Toe timing, Nos, tekizire. Mwana nishaba. Ubutanga yarya ibintu byane bigendaje. ya bani bagamba tuna tugumana tugenda hamwe namwe mwena tenda yarugaho twatandika kuyomba hona nanye timumpa makatini sakache nanye mumpe makatini tuko kaninjira ngo ebi mutikirizana no kubitaharo bashu tukalinda tanga ninga no kola bata yes tugumizemu tuko we save time royally mwe bari munonga
ndayanjojo baza kugihandika je ejiri bagitamwa kama tutaharo basi niwe kinoti noti down pale kwa
Alo mureke turzane ndayanjojo yaza separate two deka bagumize muno bagira bata no bataringa
nene complaint bagitaharo basi
yes
icyo kwenda kinoti njaro bavuga kuyaga bwatabu
Karunga
kwaraga cya tubito twamanjura atwere
tuzari Karunga bantu mugumya kereya mugumya kereya 45 Karunga ayabazibwa Justin 700 Rutera Orilian 5
Reka tutumene tukuja muzereza reka tubatuzereza tukabaze kintu sashera kumana neki ndeba pesa kwagiya
rushashaji kiriyaringa tube tugerekera kiriyaringa rumuriza ratserene turinde tubene tutamburo mishi tureke kuzenyuma
soma
reka banza bi rushasha twagiteka rubaju deni de nandeka baza himuruza ratsezerimo these ones. Now you prepare kabingo, those who have diara. Kabingo Kamarebe. It's where we are heading.
Kamarebe.
Kabingo search. Kabingo as a parish, then Kamarebe. Kamarebe. Kreya mugumya 4 it's Kagogo parish. Move down. Out. Wawana Kamarebe. Mugumya Kreya 4 Justin 54 Rutera 26 Meiri ni 2. It's Kabingo. Yeah, rushasha twagiyemo.
Atekero kigaruka.
Ashikati manya kugira twagita side. Nyakagera anda Kagogo parish. Nyinyi naho Nyakagera abana. It's there. Kreya 1 ayebazibwe 39 Rutera 43 be there so that we this is in Nyakagera East is there. This is in Nyakagera, not in Nyakagera East. Why is the feeling? Charugamba. Jennifer Tindigwa Siri ayebazibwa 11 ruteraho 180. Then Nyakagera East Jennifer 1 Kirea 1 Ruteraho 78 Justine 7. Nyakagera East. Chabgemi and Kagogo. You are there. Chabgemi. Ruteraho 68. Tindigwa 19. Mairin 7. Justine 26. Kirea 3. So you are. Then Rujeya. Ruterao 65. Justine 26. Kirea 3. Mairin 3. Keminya Justine 9. Mairin 4. Tindigwa 4. Ruteraho 85. Chakasera ayebazibwe 27. Ruteraho 87. Tindigwa 2. Kirea 7. Kagogo Ruteraho 30. Ayebazibwe 32. Mugumya 1. Tindigwa 0. Mairin 2 and others have 0. Ababa bateraho 0 iguru. Chogo Anda Bitoma Parish ayebazibwe 3. Ruteraho 108. Abandi 0. Wabashandura Anda Bitoma Kirea 1. Ruteraho 275. Justine 10. Mpororo Lilian 339. Kirea 0. Justine 1 and others 1. Others 0. It's okay. You right also. It's okay. GM. Na yetu ajihamu. You write it. Mpororo kabingo. It's mpororo seru. You write. Mpororo seru. Anda kabingo. Baji. We are on Vitoma. Vitoma under Vitoma parish. Rotera Orion 229 and Justine 2.
Yes.
Kamanzi. Rotera Orion Kamanzi zireke. Aziem.
Yes.
Choji handike. Zihandike.
Mazi basanga iworino gira ngo zireke.
Jihandike kandi bakavuga.
Ibasho.
Handike service zimana.
Wagambia?
Vitoma. Now we are on the commands now. Vitoma bajanga na yetu ajihandika. Gentlemen, excuse me. Twatandike kintu eki.
Yes.
Twena twikirize. That is one. Two, mutasetting precedent kandi kabarimo. First of all, nyenda kubashuwaringa ngo izo results zona nizakuzakaye. Nizakuzamo. Kwa kandi nizakuzamu tukize under scrutiny. Wachetereza hata zitakatuzubira kutamwe zindi. Nicyo turugamba. Results zanyu mwena nizakutahamu.
Exactly. Ebitayetegereza naho twena. Nibyo turaherera.
Omusheja ryo nagaruka.
Ebebe bitukwikirizana naho twena. Bibene byo bya.
Ngoye tugarike twemerera tutame tugarike tutegereze tanga.
Kale nimureke mfutere rwari.
Na nyina nintesa mureke tubali ebituru kubasa kwikirizanaho. Ebitari kwikirizanaho turinde tango ndo yakore iki? Agaruke. Konka kambagambira mazima. Itoba mwetu waruhire. Tihino rugwenda garuka kurara kubira yange byo na chairman byarema. Kamanzi Kamanzi Lilian 53 ayebazibwe 9 Mugumya and others 00.
Abantu batina big numbers. Atezo encheka batakugamba.
Mijendwa. You are there? Ayebazibwe 20 Crea 2 Ruteraho 111. Byaruha 1. It is Chirumba.
Byaruha, yes.
It's there. Byaruha 1. Lilian 48. Mugumya Kirea 18, Justin 14, Mary ni 2. Aza 0. Chempara 2, Kirea 0, Justin 178, Rutera 122. Chempara 2, Rugara Kirea 18, Rugara anda Chirumba still, Mugumya Kirea 18, Rugara. Justin 30, Rutera 153. Byaruha 2, Kirea 16, Rutera 47, Justin 20, Mary ni 10, Aza put 0. Kabagambe. It's yeah. Kabagabe.
Kamagabi, not Kabagabi.
Anda Chirumba. Justin 138. Rutera 118. Kirea 104. Suraina 101. Nyabugando.
Are you comfortable?
Nyabugando, you are there. Justin 96. Rutera 46. Mugumya Kirea 1. Suraina 2. Kagamba anda Charugaju. Hey. You are there. Justine 7. Jennifer 2. Rutera 75. Kayonza anda Charugaju. Lilian 103. Tindigwa 4. Ayabazibwe 15. Kirea 4. Kachombeka. Justine 37. Justine 37. Rutera 96. Tindigwa 13. Chiora. Rutera 154. Justine 7. Kabira.
Members.
Kabira.
Candidates beitu mwine staturas. Ziri kubagambira ngo umuntu nashizibwa kuleta agents babiri na spouse way. mwena hati ntwaza kushana mutukolere hasi twabitwikirize ine because abantu benshi nibo bari tuma tutayikazi turukora ki iki turukwenda
cha rugaju mugumya kireya 6 rutera 236 Justin 9 Rubira kireya 50 rutera 390 Justin 170 Charugaju Lilian 86 Charugaju under Charugaju parish Lilian 86 Justin 24 AZAM 0 Rwamuvuga Rwamuvuga Ruteraho Lilian 166 Tindigwa 2 Suraina 2 Ayebazibwa 6 Bugeza anda Katembe Ruteraho 84 Justin 28 AZAM 0 Katembe Ruteraho 354 Justin 2 Katembe Lilian 354 then Justin 2
Are you contesting? Huh? Tugambire no gamba.
Obuzibu niki ntushobororere ekizibu niki ekizibu niki ati emikono mingi netugarure enyuma tetuwuma nituzo mu bibuuzo aho ananka declaration form eyibashoma hariho obuzibu ki kyo turukwenda kuhulira bwa butariho kandi we proceed.
Katembe Central Justin 1 Rutera 360
Ajiromwe muri mwe yahereza umukono atugambira
agents tugambira amazina gabo
What's yakwira ni buki
yebo taro yebo andike vingi shobeki
jene ninga
yona ni teka
reka tutereze muba kama banje iziti Katembe ati Katembe it is 354 nizo nashoma then Justin 2 was it Katembe Central
Katembe
Katembe Central, it is Justine 1, Rutera 360. Mwana tujiemu.
Bantu mwe nani basaba kuturani. Nimba saba kutur. Twagarikirwa ngo utanga doya atakashira. Okugitahara basho bakajandika arabasho. Madame Lilian bazompure tukugira ngo bagisabira kugitasi. Nituzaguma kintu iki tukugira uje butwaheza. Ipata kwicereza side age na imwe mutakwicereza mburikizana bambi mbanzo mpurira babe bakiteyira harubasho tanga doyi kwa reji ndimunde mbyo mwayenda then tubone kugarura mbusingi yes abo kwa twazagarika mukabiri nicyo yagirira kakanta cyo cyumutakwiceriza mbe ngo mwakikora tube tukateyira harubasho ekirungi nguri ya yeje. He's there, he's coming. He's there. So nanisha bangu mushitame muhuname abemerere twaza kubashoza abemerere twaza kubagarra hero.
We have kataraka we are there. Ryan 292 Kataraka, then Justine 3. Nasho maybe ya hase Kataraka anda Katembe. Nyabubare sir Nyabubare sir, we are there. Ati zi aruzara tsi bazihe muninga. Okay, wazihamo. Okay, tujeni.
Ati waandika kataraka hariya.
Andika ko kataraka.
Yandiki.
Kataraka.
Kataraka.
Bana zo uhamezi. Kare. Kat. Nyabubare sir.
Kataraka.
Nyabubare sir. Ruteraho 109. Krea 00. Justine ayibazibwe 3. Ati nkoreje. Twasigaza Kagarama now. Kagarama now. Let's go to Kagarama. Muhunga village. Kagarama. Kagarama under Kagarama parish.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you will benefit by making noise, because my time for President's answers is about, and in 20 or so minutes I have to go up to Boma, where I must answer all the questions related to the elections. At worst, I must be out of here 20 minutes past 7. At worst. Which means I can leave early. You are adults. If you find you cannot manage each other, I'll ask the returning officer to suspend. And you sleep over a problem. I don't want people to die. I don't want anyone to be injured. So once I find that you are like this, he calls me, I'll suspend. You have been here for 2 days. This is now the 3rd day. Ladies and gentlemen, you are better off listening. I'm requesting you to listen to each other. This day, by the rules of election, the returning officer can declare results, so long as he has all the DRA forms, even without reading to you, if you didn't know. Reading is the only thing the National Electoral Commission started, and all of us are following. But it's not in the law. In the regulation we gave you, even if you read, there's nothing that the Electoral Commission will read results and you keep shouting back. It is not there. The Electoral Commission declares the winner, and the one who thinks he did not petitions the tribunal. So don't make this an opportunity to show how strong, how whatever you can be. Not this one. Aradis has been here, the whole whatever, DISO, all these officials, chairman, they are not students, they are not candidates. Aradis by office should even not be here. But because it concerns the president, she is here. But you are there shouting, you are there minimizing people. It's not right. So if you have become to make noise, the order will be stop it, declare the winner. I'm telling you. Can you read results?
Maybe the good news, have only 2. Maybe we shall have by 20 minutes we shall be out of here.
No.
For contentious, we're going to decide. Huh? I am talking about these ones that are entering now.
Muhunga, Kagarama.
What is this one, Leader Hassan? Yes, Leader.
I am surprised. When we were reading the results from Ngarama, where Justine would get 500, I did not question because I know she's coming from Ngarama. When they read for Katende, when I have 300, now it is contentious. Is it normal? Is it normal? And it is there. We can even check with it.
So which one were you protesting? What?
Yes. She has protested Rushasha. We brought the whole of Rushasha. Some is here. Now, Justina has protested about Katembe. And we said, okay, for Katembe, put it here. Such as the doctor, when he comes, we work on this. And you don't contest Katembe, so we put the Katembe. Katembe is okay?
But, excuse me, you are our staff from the Secretariat. You are our staff from the Secretariat. You remember? At youth desk, Huh? Youth and institutions. So with us, we are supposed to be the middle people to help the sides. But now, if you also join, then no clarification is wanted. I'm telling you the obvious. We are supposed to be arbitrators to help that, let the sides be balanced. Now you are shouting at candidates, you are doing this. Please, it's not proper. These are candidates in their own right, and they must be respected by everybody. If your mother is not a woman, then you can abuse a woman. If any of you here is born and is not a son of a woman, then you can abuse a woman. But for me, I request that you stay calm. Now, the issues they are raising, Lillian is raising the issue of this one, Rushasha. Justina is raising the issue of this is Rusheshe. Yes, Hajat.
Thank you, Doctor. Me, I'm straight. I don't have any side. Chairman, Chairman, the concern is on those two results for Rushasha, they have different results on declaration form. That's why they are complaining. Secondly, the other issue of Katembe, where they were complaining, Lillian scored 350 votes, and even in some villages scored highly. It is possible because me, almost in Rugaga sub-county and Rugaga town council, I won them highly. That's why I scored. It can be possible. So we cannot put, wait, I'm just giving information. If we say that we can remove like some sub-counties if someone is born from there, that's not being fair. So we need justice and fair. If they are complaining about like different declaration forms, we just compare and we see what we can do. We need justice. You are our leaders. For us, we are still younger. We are coming up. Now, if we see you are behaving like that, we lose hope for sure. You lose hope. You're destroying our NRM party for the coming generation. Thank you very much.
Now, that formula of home ground, okay? The formula of home ground should not be one-sided. If another place is a stronghold of the other, and the other gets out of it, why should you say you remove hers and don't remove, say, yours? Why don't we just say these are home grounds? Because I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave this place. I'm about to get out of the hall, then I call you. At what time? At 7? Okay, I'll have come out. So, this Rushasha is whose home ground? None. You have different declaration forms. But you know that's how you are making noise. When we started reading, you all kept quiet, things were the same. Now you'll start with this as if all declaration forms are different, you find they are the same. You're only wasting time. Let us read and you balance. You are doing very well. You mean the moment I left, you found new parameter? Yes, sir. I hope you will come with a solution, not to exacerbate a problem. We are done well. There was the other DRR forms which were disturbing us. But the moment we put them aside first, we are moving. So can we start? Can we move on?
Continue, Doctor.
I want to hear. Now this one I finish what? This one has not been answered. Now, let me first deal with the other ones which I had put there.
So, let's write. Muhunga, Rutera Horilian 150, Justina Yabazibwe 84, Kireya Torov, Aza 0. Kagarama, Lilian 64, Ayabazibwe Torov, Kireya 9, Aza 00. Amakukuru, Kagarama, Rutera Lilian 59, Justine 9, Kireya 10. Bushara, Lilian 17, Justine 6, Mugumya Kireya 15, tena Aza 00. Rugara, Rutera 65, Justine 7, Kireya 27. Chichwekano, Lilian 63, Justine 10, Kireya 18. Kita Bichere, Mairin 1, Rutera 89, Justine 10, Kireya 12. Rwakashaka, Lilian 100, Ayabazibwe 14, Tindigwa 4, Mugumya Kireya 23. Rwamulinga, Chitura Parish. Let's have first find it. Chitura. It is Chitura Parish. Rwamulinga is there. Nimsima Mairin 7, Rutera 45, Justine 5, Tindigwa 4, Kireya 12. Kitura Central, Mairin 5, Rutera 60, Justine 6, Tindigwa 1, Mugumya Kireya 2. Kabibi B. Ruteraho 49, Justine 14, Tindigwa 8, Claire 2. Kabibi A. Mairin 2, Ruteraho 35, Justine 3, Jennifer 1, Claire 6. You are there? Chitura B. Ruteraho 255, Tindigwa 10, Ayebazibwe 9, Claire 6. Chitura A. Chitura A, you are there? Ruteraho 548, 548, Ayebazibwe 5, Claire 5, Mairin 3, as I have 0. Mbale A, Chabinunga Parish. Ruteraho 58, Justina 25, Chitura. Mbale A, under Chabinunga Parish. Chabinunga, then Mbale A. It's there. Okay, you put it. So you start with Mbale. Lillian 58, Justine 25, Claire 5, as a 00. Mbale B, Ruteraho 49, Justine 16, Claire 6. Bungura A, Ruteraho 87, Justine 11, Mugumya 7. Claire. Bungura B, Ruteraho 96, Justine 18, Claire 4. Zero. Rukono, Lillian 66, Ayebazibwe 12, Tindigwa 3, Claire 8. Chabinunga A, Lillian 261, Justine 36, Mugumya Claire 16. Chabinunga B, Ruteraho 346, Ayebazibwe 32, Claire 10. Chabinunga B, Ruteraho 346, Ayebazibwe 32, Claire 10. Chabinunga Trading Center, Ruteraho 41, Ayebazibwe 4, Claire 16. Rwanyachanga, under Rwanyachanga Parish, Ruteraho Lillian 51, Ayebazibwe 13, Mugumya Claire 8, then other 00. Kamuhembe ruteraho 34 ayebazibwe 8 Kireya 7 Jennifer 1 Chempara 1 Nikukigyenda Nikukigyenda, you are there. Lillian 116 Justine 57 Kireya 12 Maylin 4 Rushayo ruteraho 80 yeah Kashisha 17 then other 00 Bwanga 1 ni Musima Maili ni 1 ruteraho 34 Justine 21 Mugumya Kireya 6 Bwanga 2 Maylin 18 ruteraho 52 Justine 15 Kireya 11 Nyakibali Maylin 5 ruteraho 28 Justine 5 Jennifer 1 and Kireya 18 Nyakabungo Maylin 2 ruteraho 65 Justine 11 Kireya 10 Burara 1 ruteraho 201 Justine 9 and other 00 Burara 2 Maylin 2 ruteraho 21 Justine 19 Kireya 4 Rugaga Maylin 1 Lillian 59 Justine 19 Jennifer 2 Suraina 1 Kireya 11 Maylin 2 on Chebikara. Let's go to Chebikara. Maylin 2 Lillian 69 Justine 42 Kireya 3 We are now Sinjiro Town Council. Kakunyu Seru. Injira eri abajirike no abajirike byona ba Let's go to Rwekubo Parish. Sinjiro Town Council, Rwekubo Parish. you look for Sinjiro TC. Now, Kakunyu. You are there? Kakunyu, you are there? Ayabazibwe 98, Rutero 18. Misirira Ruteraho 79, Justine 68. It is Misirira. Lydian 79, Justine 68, Claire 6, Chigogo 2. Chakashana Seru, Justine 112, Rutera 118. Kayonza Seru, Rutera 40, Ayabazibwe 25, Mugumya Kireya 1, Suraina 1. Kayonza Central. You are there? Justine 20. Korea 6. Lilian 29. It shows the village. Korea 124. Rutera 99. Justine 98, Made in 94. Kajungurusi. Kajungurusi, you are there? Justine 189, Ruteraho 20. Kahirimbi. Justine 428, Ruteraho 30, Kireya 3, Chigogo Suraina 3. Katwenje. Katwenje, you are there? 200 is Justine 230. Rutera 100. Suraina 70. Kirea 85. Rwekubo. Justine 223. Mugumya Kirea 10. Rutera 45. Masha village and Akaruuru. Justine 441. Masha Akaruuru. We are on Kabingo Central. Justine 43. Rutera 77. Suraina 3. Kirea 2. Nisima 1. Humura. Justine 19. Rutera Orilian 37. Jennifer 5. Kirea 4. We have Kaharo.
Just a minute. I think I see your unnecessary movements. Are you preparing for hooliganism? As if you are preparing goons. You know, we know how people prepare for goons. Please, don't injure people. Because the contest, if someone gets even higher, no, that one. Well, no. Please. Don't prepare for hooliganism. It is not nice. I want to talk to those
Doctor, we continue. Kaharo. Kirea 1. Jennifer Tindigwa 1. Justine 99. Rutera 62. Kabingo 2. Rutera Orilian 87. Justin Ayebazibwe 31. Mugumia 1. Soraina 1. Tindigwa 2. Ngachara, you are there. Rutera ho 31. Justina Ayebazibwe 9. Mugumia Kirea 2. Igayaza under Kaharo Ward. Justine 37. Rutera ho 67. Kirea 2. And others 0. Chamusyoka. Rutera 53. Tindigwa 1. Mugumya 4. Justine 196. Bishenga. Bushenga. Suraina 4. Suraina 1. Justine 33. Bushenga village under Kaharo Ward. Suraina 4. Justine 33. Rutera 69. mugumya 1 male ni 2 rw'emihini ruteraho 106 Justine 10 Tindigwa 5 Claire 2 Rubwijana village handa Cyabishaho Lilian 85 Justine Kashija 30 Claire 4 Cyabishaho you are there Ruteraho 47 Justine 46 Claire 6 ayebazibwe Justine ono Kanyerere 63 Ruteraho 78 mugumya Claire 2 Kanyerere we are done with it Kigando Sir Ruteraho 20 ayebazibwe 25 mugumya Claire 16 we are on Kachinga Sir you are there Claire mugumya 3 Justina 30 Ruteraho 90 I'm almost done Okay we are on Akatafari it is there Justine 7 Ruteraho 15 and other 00 Kachunuzi it's up ayebazibwe 44 Justine ayebazibwe okay ayebazibwe Justine 24 ayebazibwe Justine 44 Ruteraho 26 Claire 4 and other 00 Chikona ayebazibwe Justine 58 Claire 3 Ruteraho 110 yeah that's it Rwenkuba Claire mugumya 12 Ruteraho 42 Suraina 1 ayebazibwe 33 ayabazibwe 33 Suraina 1 Lilian 42 Mugumya Crea 12 yeah Crea Mugumya 12 Lilian Ruteraho 42 Suraina Chigongo 1 Justina ayabazibwe 33 yeah Buhigore anda Kamuli ward Kamuli downward no Buhigore Justin 42 Ruteraho 56 Aza 00 Chambwa Mutimbwa unaona naandika kubogo ati what is written here is not what is there. Justin 90 Charwa Mutambara Justin 90 Rutera 160 then Aza 00 Kijende ayabazibwe 9 Honorable Crea 2 Rutera Lilian 179 ayabazibwe Justin 9 Mugumya Crea 2 Rutera Lilian 179 then Aza 00 Rwendama Rutera Lilian 402 Justin 6 then Aza 00 Chikusi Justin 19 Lilian Rutera 104 and Aza 00 Ruhimbo yeah Rutera Lilian 179 Justin Kashisha 150 150 Justin Suraina Chigongo 22 Mugumya Kea 17 Mairin 7 yeah Nimsima Mairin 7 then the other Jennifer 00 and the others Rwentongore Justin Kashisha 30 Mugumya Crea 2 Ruteraho 90 Rwemba Sir Justin 107 Ruteraho Lilian 127 Suraina Chigongo 75 ayabazibwe Justin 107 Ruteraho 127 Suraina Chigongo 75 Crea Mugumya 00 and Aza 00 rwenjiri rwenjiri we are there. Justine 40, Rutera Oririan 183, Chigogo 3. Kabali Justine 99, Kabali. Then Ririan Rutera 69. Yeah.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the security. I hope the DPC and team are here. DPC, I've been here, and the press should also be here. I've been here Tayari. Don't break all the things. Now what will we do? This is the second time. I've been here not like a fool. I've been here as a chair of this commission. But I've been also here doing small investigation about the nature of your politics, the heightened politics. What the president wrote about recently, that politics where other things are coming in than the ideology and the mass line politics. religion is coming in, tribing is coming in our politics, especially in Kigezi. He gave the example of Kigezi sub-region, but also taking part of Ankole, politics of identity, and instrumentalizing that identity leading to injury. Since I came here, I've been saying, you are members of the same family, NRM. You are also members of Isinjiro. But once I got out, what I was even looking for was a situation outside there. Politicians should not mobilize people's children to fight their wars. Because in case of any firing dead, it's not their children who are killed, but other innocent people's children. The mobilization which is out there, the population which has started gathering, is not a population only coming to wait for results, but a population ready to fight. Wars which I don't know, some of you also don't know, but you'll find yourself injured. I have stopped this exercise as the chair of the commission. I have stopped it. I'm going with all the forms. Good enough, I'm going to talk to the chairman of the party. I'm going to explain to him the situation as I've seen and seek his immediate advice. For this must come down. This must come down. Recently, some young man was killed in Ruyanga. When these politicians came to my office and they were explaining, the ones from Isinjiro South, it was like drama. One of them was talking like as if someone had not lost life. I found that very, very unrealistic. I cannot be a chairman who you have brains and you get back and the people are dead. Justin is killed, Lillian is killed, this and the other. Those are families. When I was a lecturer in Makerere, I dealt with the staff who was denying girls their marks. Because behind a script, there's a family which has sold land for that child to be in university. I put it as one of my cardinal issues, and 7 lecturers were suspended. Now when I came to NRM, I also said there are things NRM people do with a lot of false entitlement. Someone does something as if he's untouchable. Someone tells you, after all, who are you? Injures the other and said, you know, we were somewhere and we have now come. That is not right. The president, who's the chairman of the party, treats even the lowest person keeping pigs with respect. You see him visiting pigs or whatever, chicken or PDM, and people say, you even go to, that is a civil president. So I want to request you in the heart of hearts to walk back to your homes and hold on. I have been here, I think, for more than 4 hours. But even this tension of someone getting this, someone is booed, it is going to be replicated out there. And you'll injure yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, as chair of the commission, I've suspended the tallying. Effect. I've suspended the tallying with immediate effect. Those DR forms will not be touched. The day they will be touched, all of you will be called. If I fail, or if I'm advised otherwise by the chairman. If I'm to do what I might even request, I shall request him that if he has time, he meets the 2 ladies with some few of their people and talk you out to know the dangers of polarity. You have polarized the people. You are the mothers. The anger which is in this house is not because of only this disaster. It looks like it's built from some background. So what I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's not necessary. The other election, I came here and suspended elections. The roundabout where soldiers were. The corner as you come. They had stopped people from Isingiro North that time. But I thought it was again Isingiro South. So I just made a declaration, I've suspended this, and people celebrated going backwards. Only to know, I said it was Isingiro South, I didn't know it was Isingiro North. Calls were made, everyone called me. President called me and said it was a temporary situation to cool the people. Now you can see how Isingiro South has been. Because I met them, they signed in my office, they signed in the legal department, shall not do this or I'm disqualified. There was no chaos. The ladies who should not have chaos, now chaos has been replicated here. I have suspended the tallying. You are not the first district. Namutumba is suspended today because they fought for 4 hours. Basoga fight. If he says Ozira Magezi, you just walk away. Ozira Magezi comes to you. I suspended Namutumba. I've suspended Hoima. I've suspended the Kakumiro 1 constituency. And they are all coming to the headquarters. We sort ourselves out and leave the people live in peace. I've talked to Lillian, I've talked to Justin, and I've told them it is the only safe way for now. They all said, carry all these things, carry all those things. I'm carrying them, and we shall not touch them. They will remain the way they are. We can even institute an investigation of a village by village. We can do that. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to do my work. My work is to call you as candidates. I called you. Now when it is getting sour, it is still my work to prevail. I want to request that you go home and go safely. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my number is 772 for anyone who wants to call. Yes, Justina, what are you saying? Yes. Huh?
I hope what you've told us will guide us without going outside there. They are going to make allegations. You see, they were going to cheat us. They were supposed to announce us. Justin has done that. The other one has done. It should stop here until we resume the exercise.
Thank you. I shall not touch those DRR forms until I get the advice of the chairman of the party. I'm going to give him the scenario, what I've seen here. The RDC will be called, the deputy, and they give them.
What I'm saying.
But what I'm saying is what I've said for the press. I have suspended, not because of pressure from anybody.
They will get on social media and start making all allegations on social media.
That is not good leadership. What we've agreed, I've said it to you. Let it be that. Thank you for that. I know what social media does.
Yeah.
And destroys.
Yes.
Thank you. Lillian is an administrator. Justin has been a lead up to parliament. You must play your roles as leaders. Thank you and God bless all of you. I said my number is 772 459 153. 772 459 153. I pick my calls at 10 o'clock in the night. I pick calls at 10 o'clock in the night for 1 hour. I have handled volatile election than this. I'll handle this. All forms will not be touched. Nobody will touch them. Thank you.
Abanya-Uganda n'ababashara bandagari ni mugiruka nagamba katukamwe ninga cyamugorani abazeyire n'umubiruka n'ababatwara nkembagwa badeine mushango nkebyo beberaki urra bandagari rarajimi nibatera nkenjoka batarafire bakamuka abakazi benje bakamba ebintu bikeriwa abayanje bakabita Uganda kabino busansi oba bana b'Isirayiri bagiro mu Misiri okwira kwa Musa kuzahura b'Isirayiri n'ukushana no kwa Yoweri okuyazawira abanya-Uganda omubutegeji bubi wangabanyenka omwaka gwa kinana yagambisa amatama gombi ayanjira obutegeji bubi ekuba kwetere kinanyakizi akarunde na mushanju okubonabona bakakureba nenakundebyo tebyokugambwa tubahunganaho tubaryandayo tubahemukanaho bazawukanuye amuzeho Yoweri abanyamahanga endimi y'omusite tagenda agenda natubonabona amuzeho Yoweri abanyamahanga endimi y'omusite tagenda agenda natubonabona Nirmansa obusinge ntwire ntakumanya wizina Yoweri nirmansa entunguka kuyagira kangoma Uganda yahinduka omwirima bagenda twaze omushana nguyija rutasirara emanzi ragambwa enda ya muzeire nekaramare bamwetarehembo kwenzura nyowe mwita muzahura eryemahoro akabuta ishabamani yajijumura Uganda zinana na mukaga agajiho mukanwa kentare n'abagenzi be ihamba rwatansobwa geterine n'umugamanya n'isima ruramushanju amani gabo neshagama yabo n'ubwobusite obutine n'izuba akabanza yarwanira mugabe w'abantu abanya-Uganda twatunga okwetegeka